Whoops. This is okay. So the actual bracket is down here, and so far that super glue and baking soda is expanded to 3 times its original size. I'm having desperately to keep more and more masking tape in to keep it under control so it doesn't expand outwards. Help. There's another one. And I think I've done this one. I've just put some in this one. It's already starting to foam up on the top there. And this one's a new one. This one's a new one as well. This stuff's fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go.